Hey, what's up? Welcome to the video, everybody. This is a video of a cargo trailer camper conversion. Isn't that a mouthful? I have a couple of other videos with this trailer in it. Feel free to check them out. But at this point, this trailer is really coming along. I'm making progress on the drastic changes from the original design. Just like the HGTV hot keywords, we're knocking down walls and embracing that open concept layout. Here are the beginning views of putting the slider together and testing it out. The raised mattress comes next. The legs on the right side of the metal mattress needed to slightly, but ever so time-consumingly, be altered to clear the heater on the floor. With the mattress raised and accessible from the sides when it slid out, it became our storage space. Water jugs, stovetop, cooking and cleaning utensils, etc. Okay, here we are at Doheny State Beach. We got everything set up. Let's take a look at how it finished up. So let me start by with the battery in the front. Check this out. Got the quick disconnects here on the 12-volt battery, 100 amp hour battery with the solar panel charging. Bright sunny day here in November. I'll also have a little unboxing review on this e-cooler here, 12-volt e-cooler. Right now, just got sodas and waters and all of our stuff. Salsa, homemade salsa. Works really well. The solar 100-watt solar panel pretty much maintains us during the day. Keeps all our stuff cold. Right now, you can take a look here and see that I have that slide out feature, or I'll push forward, and you can see the tracks there on the ground. So this kind of opens up this whole area here, and you know, if we're in a nice place where you need some more room, somebody can sleep on the floor there, and it just kind of opens up for more space. So let's go around the side here. So this kind of works as like a little door for us to enter in. We might as well go through this way. Here's our little bar table here. Kind of come through, and this is the bed all stretched out. It's kind of like our front door access here. Got our nice little lounge chairs. But this is pretty much our setup. This comes out here like a couch. You can sit out here, look at the beach. Yeah, the canopy holds up. When we put our table here, we prepare food, our nice trash can. And then this is another project that I just started working on. Finishing it up right now, but it's a 72-volt mini bike. Goes 45, 50 miles per hour. But it's coming along. The beach was getting attention. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.